What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your OBS Studio output resolution for streaming and recording. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up OBS Studio. On this window, navigate to your settings. Here, in the Video tab, you have the option to change your base or canvas resolution. This option should be set to your native monitor resolution, as this is the resolution OBS will pick up to record. Your base resolution should be presented in this drop-down menu. But in case you're unsure about your native resolution, then right-click your desktop and select Display Settings. On this window, scroll down to your Scale and Layout options, where you can preview your recommended native monitor resolution, which in my case is 3440 by 1440. Next, in your OBS Studio video settings, you have the option to change your output or scaled resolution. This is the resolution you will be recording or streaming in. It's suggested to keep the same aspect ratio of 16:9 when streaming or recording, as this aspect ratio is used by most services. You have the option to choose another resolution in this drop-down menu, or simply write out the new one you wish to use. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.